Hey everybody, we're back. Swamp Donkey Gardens. I just wanted to make a quick video here of kind of what I got going on. It's kind of the same deal. I got another greenhouse. Uh, this garden is the one that was here last year. These two boxes here are going to be moved. I got some pretty exciting news. Over the winter months, we was doing some talking with a couple other gardeners and a real, I would call him a master gardener, to tell you the truth. He's getting out of the business, so I jumped on a little bit of inside information he gave me. He was getting rid of some of his greenhouses, so actually where all these, let's go back up here. Let me get a little upper view. Look at that sunset. It's about 8:10, May 9th. There you go. So where all those, kind of right where my finger here, the greenhouse will start. It's 28 long, or 28 wide by 48 long. It'll go down to the other side of this bed above my thumb. Yep. Yeah, it'll go down about that far, and that's where it'll be. So it'll be actually under all six of those raised beds, and the other one down right there will be under the greenhouse. So that's kind of cool, but it's a project in itself. We got it all down. We got it plastic up in the garage. We just kind of move everything up here. Boy, I'm telling you, it was a little bigger chore than I thought. Yeah, let's go in this greenhouse. It's getting a little cold. I think it's going to get a little chilly tonight, so I kind of buttoned everything up. And if you remember, here we are. There's that side of the greenhouse. We got some tomato starts. We got lots of tomatoes. We got Romas. We got black crimsons. We got lots of tomatoes. On this side here, we got there's a black crimson. I think this is acorn squash. We have cabbage. These are peppers. These are green peppers. These are green zucchinis back here. We got more straight 8 cucumbers, cabbages, peppers, more peppers, sweet peppers. We got a little bit of autocombobulation stuck down between. Sunflowers. Watch it, there's a pole there. More sunflowers. We got I don't even know what that is. Butternut squash. More sunflowers. More sunflowers. More sunflowers. On this side here, we got down in our raised beds, we got butter crunch lettuce is all along here, and I believe that's straight 8 cucumbers. I think they're a pickler cucumber. They're all strawberry starts for the strawberry beds. This is pretty much it for this greenhouse. Oh no, it's not. What am I thinking? Let's get you down there. Chives over in the corner there. The green chives there. All this is spinach. It's a baby leaf spinach on this side, and then up on this side is a long-standing spinach. If we can get over in here, I kind of had it all buttoned up. It's such here. Somehow it was winter for everybody. Mine was good. Wasn't bad. Let's squeak in this one. And here's the other greenhouse. And we got this baby loaded with stuff. We got Roma tomatoes, more Romas, orange slicers. We got more sunflowers out the wazooey. Something chewed that one off. I don't know what happened to that one. Yeah, we'll put them back in there. 4th of July tomatoes in the back there. Celebrities. More celebrities. San Margeros. You know, they're little, but they're gonna go. And on this side we have Super Sweet 100s. I think all these are Super Sweet 100s. Big red tomatoes, which these are Black Crimson. These are Super Saucers. These are Super Saucers, the ones I'm kind of curious about. I got they're a big Roma tomato. It's supposed to be real big. But yeah, I'm kind of curious to grow some of them. See how we can't. They're supposed to be really good for sauce. They're supposed to be Super Saucers. So these are big red tomatoes. All these back here, all these up here. These big red, they get big and red. And we got Sunny Boys, which are kind of like an early girl, or a kind of in that kind of category a little bit. And that's what we got in there. So yeah, all you see down here, actually we'll get a view from the other one. I got this one ready. But actually right kind of where I'm standing right here, all the way up to right before the hill, about a foot up before the hill there, we'll be in the greenhouse. That's gonna be cool. I can't wait to get it up. But this year is gonna be getting it up for in this greenhouse we lost. It got blowed away like in the Wizard of Oz. It got blown up against that tree. It was a mess. But I just did this. I expanded our zucchini and squash, and we'll have that's what all will be down in this area. This wasn't very big last year, so I extended it. I just got done rototilling. And then if you remember our trees we planted last year, this one's doing pretty good. It's kind of going from the suckers on each side, but it's going good. The rest of them are doing real good. Look at this one here. We got a nice wine glass shape to it. And this one here is another. Ooh, it's sloppy. And there's another, I think it's the pear. And that's got a nice shape to it. It's coming, got all nice buds on it. Hopefully the frost doesn't come around. Here's another one, another pear. If you remember from the video last year, that's when we planted them. And here's an apple. But this one was pretty sad looking last year. She came back with a vengeance. Yeah, and then this one up here, I think we got 2 apples actually last year off of this one. And that one's doing really good. It's pretty high. It's got that wine glass shape to it, I guess you could say. Yeah, cool sunset. And here's another one. This one's kind of a little crazy. I think we're gonna have to come and trim this. I don't think this guy's doing us any good. And this guy I don't think is doing us any good. We'll have to trim them off. And then there's another apple tree. And then this little plum tree, it's either a plum or a nectarine. No, I think it's a plum. It's got little buds on it. And this was another one. It doesn't got a little flower right there. It's gonna take a little bit for that one, but they're all going. And here's another pear tree, which this can be zipped off there. So yeah, that's kind of what we got going on that end. We're expanding every year, getting bigger and bigger. Like I said, I can't wait to get the greenhouse up and show you. We'll be able to grow all year round. We got heat, fans, tables. It's a complete greenhouse. I just got done tilling this stuff up. I'm gonna have to work my way through that stuff and this grass up here, and then this grass down here. I'm gonna have to get rid of it. But this will all be tilled up again, tilled up, fertilized. I've been amending your soil. Hope you've been amending your soil, because that's what we need to do, especially outside. But I am gonna have these 6 boxes, or these 7 boxes, working. They're gonna be working. So we're just gonna have to work around them when we put the greenhouse up. I can't wait. It's gonna be so cool. We're a little late on our potatoes. We're having trouble trying to get soil, but we'll get it. We'll get her going. I think next week we're getting some soil mixture, and we'll be able to amend all our stuff and get everything planted up. I do have some onion sets I have to plant and get going. So, but you need a little walk around. Look at that guy, security. Real security's inside. He's too much of a wimp to come outside. He's too old, Mr. Buds. So, but yeah, with that, like I said, I just wanted to give you a kind of a quick update. We did get, like I said, we did get another greenhouse to fill up, and once all the flowers are coming home or are sold, there's some geese. Once the flower starts are all sold and gone, we'll tear up the ground of the greenhouse, and we'll plant some stuff in there. Below the first greenhouse, below where all the plant starts were, there's that's where I'm gonna plant my cabbage. Some cabbage. I'm gonna try to hide it from the cabbage looper moth. So, but with that said, like I said, I just wanted to give everybody a feeling of what we got going on, and I do have more stuff up in the grow room. I'll have to do another video and go through that. But yeah, we have lots of flowers up there. Is mostly what we have there. We have some more cabbage, broccoli. What else do we got up there? Some basil. Yeah, some ham hock flowers, some violas, some petunias, stuff for hanging baskets. We're gonna try our hand at hanging baskets. So we're kind of ready for next year when we have the greenhouse, so we can do all that stuff right in the greenhouse and get an early start, and you know what I mean, start bringing what I was talking about, like the guy I was talking to, Fred. He's a master gardener. He's been doing it for 45 years, so he knows exactly what he's doing, and I love to pick his brain. So I will be making more videos here once I get everything planted and show you how everything's going. Once we get a veggie stand up and all that stuff. So thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to hit the like button, subscribe. Feel free to comment, ask any questions that you need to ask. You feel free to ask. It was great to see everybody. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Swamp Donkey Gardens out.